Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified to my new upload video, and also give me a big thumbs up in comment below section, guys, if you have any questions regarding to my video today. And thank you guys so much for all your support for my returning subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. I have another unboxing video. Actually, it's just a quick unboxing. I ordered this in Neiman Marcus. Neiman Marcus is having on sale, I think 1-day sale that time that I purchased, and I'm looking for a sunglasses because the summer is coming. And so I actually purchased 2 items, but the only main is this video is the sunglasses. They sent me these 2 bags. I don't know why they sent me 2 boxes. And let's go on to the first one, guys, because the other one is just for this eye cream from Glam Glow. I always lot of eye cream, guys, because I have dark circles under eye, and I tried different kind of eye cream, and I want something for really works my under eye. So this is my first time using the Glam Glow eye cream, brightening, bright eyes, illuminating, anti-fatigue, and eye cream. I love the rose gold color in it. So yeah, definitely I wanna try this one. So let's go on to the main. So I opened this already because sometimes I'm struggle to open it, and sometimes it's just annoying when you open in the boxes. So actually I just opened it before I film it. So I think this is my receipt and returning slip. It comes with this pack. So they having 50% off, and then they have extra 20%. So I don't know what is this one. So okay, so Dior, very plain black. It's so you can't even tell the name of a Dior. This is a cleaning cloth. This is the sunglasses, guys. Hopefully that it would fit on me. So the sunglasses case is very simple, but looks nice though. What is this one over here? I think this is the authenticity card. It says we're certified that this article has been manufactured according to the museum. Yeah, I don't know if this is certificate. I never had one for my pouches or bag. Wallet. So this is the sunglasses, guys. Let's see. We have plastic. That's nice. This is called ladydiorstud5. I think this is rectangular, guys. This is rectangular, and that one has a CD in here. See, that's cute. It has CD, and it's stud like Dior here. So that's the design, and this is the color, I think Havana. Let me see, guys. That is dark Havana. It's like a brown color. I don't have any brown sunglasses, and like I said, it's gold hardware. They are stud over here, and this is my first Dior sunglasses I had. Yeah, it's called ladydiorstud5. That's the name of this. This one has a name on the side. It tell you over here, let me close this. It tell you the name of a sunglasses. So if you check on Neiman Marcus, they have it on sale. I don't think it's finished now, guys, because I checked last week. They don't have a sale this one now. So this is what looks like on me. What do you think, guys? It's quite loose. Yeah, it loose around the nose bridge in here because it's not adjustable. Sometimes if I wear makeup, actually it will slide. So what do you think, guys? It's yay or nay? I don't know. This is my first rectangular sunglasses. I have a cat eye. I have an oversized sunglasses, but I don't have a rectangular one. And this is the one I pick. I wish it's this part over here is okay, but the nose bridge is quite, it's not fit, but I don't know, I can actually deal with it. I just move this one over here so it will be fit. So yeah, but sometimes I like to put all the way to my top of my nose bridge. So yeah, this is, I don't know, it's so oh my god, it's so, pulling out with this, it's like too dark, because this is good for a sunny day. Like I said, that's why I get this one, because it's summer is coming and I'd like to have a Dior sunglasses. There is one I like on Chanel, but I don't know why Chanel is never have on sale for sunglasses at all. So yeah, that's it, guys, for my Dior sunglasses unboxing. Hope you like this kind of video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified to my new upload video. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.